The cryptocurrency landscape is witnessing a revolutionary change with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's (SEC) approval of the first Bitcoin exchange-traded funds (ETFs) based in the United States. This groundbreaking development involves leading financial entities and ushers in a new era for cryptocurrency investments. This strategic move is poised to channel substantial capital into the crypto market. Financial experts from a prominent banking group estimate an influx ranging from $50 to $100 billion in 2024 alone, while other analysts predict a more conservative figure of around $55 billion over 5 years. The timing of this decision is noteworthy, considering Bitcoin's market capitalization has surged past $913 billion. U.S. ETFs collectively boast an impressive $6.5 trillion in net assets. Now, investors can leverage Bitcoin's potential without the necessity of direct ownership. The approval has sparked a notable increase in Bitcoin's value, with a recent 3% rise to $47,300, culminating in a 70% growth over recent months.
50% of my savings in Bitcoin, because if I save the wrong thing in my country.
A competitive race among issuers has emerged, with many reducing their fees to 0.2% and 1.5%. Some are even offering fee waivers for limited periods to attract investors. Liquidity remains a crucial consideration, particularly for those seeking swift trades. Embark on your investment journey with a commission-free trading platform. Opening a free account opens doors to 15 free stocks valued up to $2,000 and the chance to earn a 5.1% APY on uninvested cash. Click the link in the description to start and subscribe for continuous financial insights.